Hey everyone, Kyle with Jump15.com here. In today's video, I'm covering the 5 jump rope form mistakes that are killing you and holding you back from making more progress. The big key here is you don't know what you don't know. So I want to show you exactly what these mistakes are so you can identify if you are making these errors, so you can make the proper fixes, so you can progress more quickly, get in better shape, and have more fun doing it. Let's do this. Number 1 is poor posture. I see many beginners and even some intermediate jumpers that are always looking down at their feet when they're jumping. This is not going to help you. First off, you've probably heard the saying, the hand is quicker than the eye. Well, the rope is quicker than the eye as well. And if you're looking down at your feet thinking that that's going to help you jump over the rope, it's just not going to. By the time it enters your field of vision, it's too late and it's going to hit you in your feet. The only thing that this leads to is poor posture, which is going to lead to more trip-ups. Jump rope is about timing, rhythm, and mostly feel. Here's an example of me jumping blindfolded to show you that I can still perform at a high level, but I don't have to see the rope, but I instead am just feeling it. Number 2 is your arms and your hands are too high and too wide. This creates rope rotation inefficiency and the fact that doing it properly, your wrists should be rotating the rope. When your hands are too wide and too high, now you're going to get your arms involved too much, which is very inefficient. It's going to slow down your tempo and it's going to keep you from progressing to the level of your fullest potential. This form can also lead you to choosing a rope that is too long for you. If you need help sizing your rope, check out this video I have linked right up here that covers how to size your rope. Number 3 is crazy jumping. If you are tuck jumping, pike jumping, or doing any other kind of crazy jumping, you're spending too much time in the air, which is limiting your jump rope tempo as well as the intensity of your workouts. This also creates more impact on your joints and on your body, which can potentially lead to more injuries. So keep it simple. Keep your jump nice and low, only 1 to 2 inches off the ground, so you can keep your tempo up, get a better workout, and increase in your abilities. Number 4 is a big one, and it's form asymmetries. Form asymmetries is referring to while you're jumping, if you could cut your body down the middle, each side should be a mirror image of the other side. An asymmetry means you have one hand that's higher than the other hand, or you have one arm that's wider than the other arm as shown here. What this does is it throws off the axis of rotation, causing the rope to kind of move to one side, which gives it a far greater chance of catching on your foot as shown here. Avoid asymmetries. Make sure you practice being symmetrical from side to side, and you are going to be far more consistent with your jumping. And number 5, your hands drifting forwards or backwards. What happens here is as you fatigue, as you're jumping, this is one of those things that can just creep in on you without you even knowing, but your hands drift a little forwards. What this does is it changes the axis of rotation, the center of the axis of rotation, which is now pushing it out in front of your body, and which causes the rope's bottoming out point to be further in front of your feet than you intended, which causes the rope to bounce up off the ground or in and into your feet, causing you to trip up, or it makes it down under your feet still, but now it's going to rise up into the bottom of your feet, again causing you to trip up. The reverse for if your hands drift backwards. If your hands drift backwards, then now the rope is coming down at such a steep angle close to your body that it's just going to catch on your toes right out the gate. All 5 of these jump rope form mistakes can tend to pop up as you fatigue or get tired. So make sure you keep an eye out for them. One way to really identify where these problems are popping up is jumping in front of a mirror. It's real-time feedback for you, so you get to see as you're jumping whether your hands are creeping up or arms are flaring out, or if any asymmetries are popping up. So use a mirror, and if you don't have a mirror, use your phone. You can videotape yourself, especially if you get into a point where you keep tripping up. Grab your phone, record yourself, and if you have slow motion, it's even better because you're going to be able to identify exactly what the culprit is that's causing the trip up so you can make the corrections and move forward. I hope you enjoyed this video and found these tips useful. If you did, please hit that like button and leave a comment stating which one of these mistakes most resonates with you. Subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified of new videos coming at you every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.